Avedon's portraits of actors like Marilyn Monroe and Audrey Hepburn are some of his best-known works, but when photographing actress Nastassja Kinski, a true moment of brilliance was captured.
When you look at the photograph, it all looks so easy. She spent 2 hours on a cement floor naked. The snake the trainer would start anchoring the snake with her ankles and then see where the snake would go. Hope that the snake, because there's no talking to a snake, that snake would creep up Nastassja in a way that was beautiful. Meanwhile, she'd roll back, she'd fall forward, the snake would come, the snake trainer would come and move the snake from one part of her body to another. I would catch pictures of his legs, flying out of the frame, but he'd be in the frame, the snake was going. It was really sort of a fashion hell.
And the snake started up her legs. She opened up one leg, the snake wound up her little naked body.
Calm and strong, smooth, big muscle.
And up onto her shoulder and go towards her face. And I said, Nastassja, this is it. Quickly, relax.
And when it got to her ear, he kissed her with his tongue, and Dick got the picture. And I was crying.
She rose to the moment, the snake rose to the moment, I rose to the moment, and it was one of those absolutely magical things that happen when nothing you planned could equal the random
and I
accident
wasn't
of something
terrified,
beautiful.
I wasn't afraid. A wonderful feeling, actually. I love animals.
I couldn't speak. It was extraordinary, sexual, seductive, special, rare moment. And Dick Avedon caught the one time that snake kissed her ear.